Hi, world changers, history makers, pace setters. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness. Thank you, all of you who have shown interest in the WhatsApp group. So I'm adding you slowly. I'll get to you. If you're not in the group yet, I'm getting to you. And for you guys who are already in the group, welcome. I love that you're introducing yourself. I love that interaction. This group is our group. So interact, collaborate, post something encouraging, encourage other egos in there, and let us build ourselves together. And today, of course, I always have a topic. You know, my focus really is on the person building that business, the person running that company, the person growing their family, you as an individual, seeing you to become transform into your authentic self, your real self. Who are you when the titles are gone? Who are you when no one is calling you sister or mom or dad or uncle? Who is that real person? Because the biggest gift we can give each other is to walk in our authentic self, the person we were actually designed to be, without the fakeness and the labels and any of that, because that way we'll walk in our true power. That is how we become world changers, history makers, and trailblazers. So the transformation is going to come from us, from that dedication of not compromising. Yes, society may have programmed us, but one of the opportunities we have is to unlearn certain things that we have learned. If things are not working for you, the parameter you use to know is it's just not working. So you need a new way of doing the same old things. I guess the topic for today is burning desire. You know, one of my favorite books that I've read over 15 times is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Actually, we'll be going through many of the topics in there because he emphasizes some of the highlights, some of the nuggets of just living a successful life. And one of them is burning desire. Are you hungry enough to see that project come through? Are you hungry enough to see that transformation? I always use this story of a dog that is seated on the nail. The dog is whimpering, but it's not moving. Why? The nail is not hurting bad enough. So you need to have a burning desire, a drive that everybody around you knows where you're going and what you're after. Yes, you may need to sacrifice a little now to prosper later, and that should be okay. This journey sometimes can be lonely of transformation, but it doesn't have to be. That's why we have each other. We have the WhatsApp group. We also have the Facebook group. You know, for those who want to go deeper, the Facebook group is available, you know, loaded with lessons and archives going back to almost 4 years of these short videos. So today, I'm encouraging you, look into yourself. Do you have that burning desire, the drive to follow through? And how, one may ask, how do I even get that? If you're going from something authentic to you, the desire will naturally be there. If you're copying, trying to be a copycat of someone else, the desire will run out so fast, because for every vision you have, there'll be obstacles and distractions. The question is, can you overcome them before giving up? Because the glory is on the other side. So you have, though the vision tarries, it will come to pass. It will come to pass. So the desire to finish the goal has to be there and has to be sustainable. Well, as always, this is Mother Ego. and share every information and every lesson you learn, because we want more and more world changes. As always, if you want to join WhatsApp, leave your number below. And if you want to join the Facebook group to go deeper, send me a message. I'll send you the link.